Okay, I'm going to get you started on how to do activity 4.1.3, but this is really going to be where you're going to find your own information and look around here. It's actually kind of interesting, I think. So here you're gonna go to this web page, and I just pulled it up over here, and we're gonna do search documents. I'm really going to be interested in the patents here, so I'm just going to click search documents, and it brings this up. Now I can search this any way I want. I can search here by type of document, I can search by location or by identifier, and you can literally do any of these. And you can do anything you want. Remember, you're not going to be able to search, for instance, you're not going to be able to search everywhere because it does make out a note, only states that use rectangular survey systems will return results. So do remember that when we looked at our PowerPoint, we saw that these 30 states are the ones that will give results. These other ones up here use meets and bounds. So you can't look up Texas because it uses meets and bounds. But we can use anything not on this list will give us results in the survey system. You can look up your last name or any other last name you happen to want, or by any other area here. I'm going to go ahead and put in Simpson here, and I'm not putting in, I don't want Alabama. I'm going to put it back on any state, and I'm going to pull up this list. I haven't done this ahead of time, so we'll see if I can get some interesting information here. And it pulled up this list for Simpson, and you'll notice that there are more than 100 pages here. And if you look at the dates, these are from 1871, 1917. Some very old documents here. Here you can see what state they're in, what meridian, township, and range. These should sound familiar to you after the PowerPoint. So I'm just going to pick one of these, and we'll hope that we get some good information. Let's look at this one from 1859, just because I find it interesting. Here is actually a copy of the certificate. If you look at this and you read through these carefully, and if you're at all interested in history, these will become pretty interesting. Here, in the pursuant of the Act of Congress on this day, 1855, an act in addition to certain acts granted the bounty of land to officers and soldiers. So this was something granted to a soldier. Henry M. Simpson, private, Captain, Guns Company, Alabama Militia, Creek War, maybe. With evidence that the same has been duly located, the southwest quarter of the northeast quarter of the east half of the northwest quarter of section 15 in township, and so on. That description should sound just like the parts we just were reading over in our PowerPoint. So this is exactly telling him what piece of land he owns. This is his legal document for what land he owns. It says that warrant having been assigned by this person to this person, Oliver Anderson also can, so this was given over to Oliver Anderson, and then Oliver Anderson says that he's going to assign it to his heirs. It was witnessed and given in this day. So what you're going to do is you're going to find one that you find interesting, and then it says over here you should print a copy of it. You need to find one that has a land patent. Some of them don't have land patents to them, but you need to find one that has a good legal description. This one clearly has a good legal description right here that totally matches what we're doing. So I want you to print this. Then it says print the patent details page, patent details, and print this page out. Then you're going to access this map available from the Reference Center, and you're going to go in, locate and highlight the principal meridian on which the legal description was based. So go to this link, finish it off. Note, you are not allowed to use the one I just used as an example or the exact same one as another student. There's only 11 of you and there's thousands of patents, so it shouldn't be a problem. Just don't use the same one your buddy's using. That's all there is to this.